Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing my latest purchases, and I will also have Hermès Quota bag unboxing, which I have been waiting for over 2 years. I'm so excited about it, and I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, black and gold style. I will start with the jewelry pieces, and these have just arrived. This is something that my girlfriends and myself, we buy each other. They make such perfect gifts and the designs are so cute. And I just adore these earrings. These are just so perfect for a daily wear because they are quite light and they are not going to sag your earlobes. And of course, they are also perfect for traveling, and I'm going to have a few trips this year. I also like the fact that they have a 2-year warranty, which is important. These ones are tarnish proof, waterproof, and hyperallergenic. If you're following me for a while, you know that I'm pretty sensitive, so not all earrings work for me, but these ones are great. I love them. By the way, there are 2 different ways to wear these ones, the gold side closer to you or the diamond side closer to you. I'll show to you as well. I love both of the ways. I think they're stunning. Here is the second way. I just swapped them around. So adorable. I love this style. So feminine and so elegant. I also ordered another design. And by the way, this would look fantastic when stacked. I only have one hole in my earlobes, but this would look amazing with several holes. They are so adorable. Just look how stunning and flattering. I love these ones. So beautiful. On the website, they have many other styles. They have rings, necklaces, and bracelets. I will also add the link in the description box below for you so you can check it out. I have to say the price is very affordable, which is a great advantage. Especially if you need to gift it to multiple people, it's not going to break the bank. I love this. So pretty. I know I'm gonna get so many compliments when wearing this because they are amazing. And you can style it with so many different outfits. I love it. They just go with absolutely everything. These ones are also so perfect to wear to work. The size is not too big. They are just right. They are just perfect for all kinds of occasions. When going out, when running errands, when meeting your friends, for date nights, and so on and so forth. And I can wear these ones the whole day because they're so comfortable. Next up are the Stuart Weitzman shoes, and I just love these ones. I bought them because I just love the color and this style is so comfortable. This is my second pair and I'll show to you both colors. I love these ones. This shade matches so many pieces in my wardrobe, which is amazing. And I can just literally wear them the whole day. This is how cool they are. I got this ones first, then I ended up getting another pair, which I wear pretty much non-stop. And here is another pair of loafers. They are so comfortable and I just love the shade of brown. I'm a huge fan of loafers. And now moving on to all Hermes purchases, and I got them all on the same day. I'm just gonna start with the smaller ones. The first box, actually I don't remember which item is in which because the 2 items are pretty small, but let's see. I'm just so excited that I got all of them. And I know that I'll be able to use them quite often. By the way, I'm not wearing any rings or my watch because I cannot open my safe again. And I need my husband to help me with it once he gets home. It's actually the second time when I'm having this issue. Anyways, back to the unboxing, and actually I'm so excited that this item was available in the store because it's the first time that I'm seeing it. I asked about it previously and I have been looking for it for quite a while. This is a bag insert and I got it for Birkin 25. And previously I bought them from Amazon, but I'll show to you this one. I'll show you the difference. And the next one is such a cute item. When my sales associate brought it to me, I just fell in love with the color. I wanted to have an SLG in this particular color to match my bag. and this one is just so perfect. It's my first experience with the constant style, and I'm thinking maybe I should get a belt as well because I can wear it together and it's so cute. It's so easy to open it and it's quite spacious. It also has a space for the coins, which is quite good. I never know where to put them and they're always all over my bag. It's quite wide, and my sales associate told me that I can actually buy a separate strap and wear it like a mini bag, which is so cute. I can literally put the belt from behind and wear it like that. I'm just so happy that it was available in a store. Gray is my favorite color, and I'll show to you how it looks versus my bag. The leather of the bag is quite different. My bag is in a togo and the SLG is in the Epsom. You can see the color shows differently on different kinds of leather, but both of them are absolutely stunning and I love them. Actually, one day I would love to get a mini Kelly in this color. It's so stunning. It does not take too much space. It's actually quite perfect for the bag. Anyways, moving on to one of the most important purchases, and I still can't believe that I finally have it in my collection. I literally waited for it for over 2 years. This color is so popular. A lot of people are queuing for it in Hermes, so that's why the waiting time is very long, and I would say it's the longest than for any classic color. Late last year, I was also offered each tube, which I love, and I'll still get it eventually, but I decided to wait for the black because it literally takes ages. And it arrived only now, so you can imagine. And by the way, this was supposed to be my very first bag, but then I got offered gold. Well, I don't regret getting my gold color, and by the way guys, if you have not watched that video, I will link it down for you in case you want to check it out. And now I finally have the black. It's also with gold hardware. It's such a stunning bag, and I really needed a black Birkin 25 because I just love this style. It comes with this clochette, which I actually never wear because it just adds the weight to my bag. I prefer to keep it in a box. Currently, I either prefer to wear nothing or rodeo. Birkin 25 is my most favorite design from Hermes. I just love the size and I love the shape. And the fact that I can actually carry so many things with me. I can fit in all my essentials. I'm definitely a Birkin 25 girl, and I tend to wear a lots of blazers or blazer dresses, and I feel like this style just looks the most amazing with them. By the way, here is how the bag insert looks. It's so easy to put it in, and you can always take it out and put it in another bag. It's very convenient. I just love it. And I love the fact that it's taller than the others, so it can protect my bag better. I love this size so much because I can actually carry so many different things, my essentials, for example, my electric fan because it's quite hot in Singapore, as well as hand sanitizer, obviously my wallet, my glasses, my phone, hand cream, my lipsticks, and so on and so forth. There are so many people on social media that keep saying that Birkin 25 are inappropriate for the evening, but you know what? I just love this size. It's a perfect bag to wear from day to night. And I actually think that it's perfect for the evening. It depends with what you style it, and of course on the venue as well. It has to be appropriate. If I would be attending some special ball gown event, of course I won't be wearing it, but for anything else it works just perfectly. And also I waited for this bag for so many years, and I'm going to wear it everywhere to keep the cost per wear as low as possible. I think I will focus on this design first and collect other colors, and then I can move on to Mini Kelly and other styles. I just love this style of the bag so much. I'm obsessed with it, and I think you can tell. By the way, I just love the way the earrings look with the hardware, and I will add the QR code to this in case you're interested as well. Just so stunning, and the size is so perfect. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. By the way guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time.